From smoothies to oatmeal or even salads, chia seeds seems to have conquered them all. But do chia seeds really have health benefits, or are they just Instagram worthy? Chia seeds have came a long way, but do you know it is once used as a staple food for the ancient Aztecs and Mayans? In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. They are tiny black seeds of the chia plant known as Salvia hispanica. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the unique characteristics of chia seeds is their high content of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. About 75% of the fats in chia seeds consist of the omega-3 alpha-linoleic acid, while about 20% consist of omega-6 fatty acids. And these have inadvertently made chia seeds the best known plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids, as we have known, has been linked to decreased heart disease risk, reducing inflammation in chronic disease, and even cancer. Do note, however, gram for gram, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are not nearly as potent as those found in fish or fish oil. Antioxidants. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. They not only protect the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid, but also benefit humans by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals, which can damage cell compounds in your body, causing cancer. Helps weight loss. 1 ounce of chia seeds has close to 10 grams of dietary fiber. Most of the fiber in chia seeds is soluble fiber. It absorbs water, becomes gel-like, and expands in your stomachs to slow your digestion and help you feel full after a meal. One study in 24 participants found that chia seeds mixed with yogurt for breakfast increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake in the short term compared with eating chia-free yogurt. Lower your risk of heart disease. A few human studies found that chia seed supplements significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Besides, chia seeds can also help lower total and LDL cholesterol in our blood, in turn reducing a risk of a heart attack. Improving bone health. Chia seeds are packed with several nutrients including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and these nutrients are essential for the formation of bone and maintaining its density. Reducing blood sugar levels. Studies have found that chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity, and this will help stabilize one's blood sugar level after a meal. Research from 2010 and 2013 suggests that eating bread containing chia seeds help lower sugar post-meal among healthy adults compared with those eating bread without chia seeds. Bottom line, although some benefits may be little or remains unclear, incorporating chia seeds into one's daily diet is definitely a wise choice. Well, even it is just for the gram. Remember to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!